What it do? In the lab. Y'all already know. Getting it in. Give y'all some updates on Electra. Alright. Got the seats bolted down. Paul got one of the door panels in over there. Matter of fact, show y'all how they look. Let me close that door. I gotta be careful because he ain't got it bolted down all the way. Let me see. Let me see. Y'all notice we're doing test runs, trial and error. See how it go. Got that boy Danny back there. I'm gonna show y'all what he doing. Okay, let me move this out the way. Move this drill out the way. It'll kind of give y'all a visual. That's how it'll look with the door closed. And that console, I'm gonna do something different with it, but I'm gonna use that foundation, that format, because it fits beautiful right there. But I'm not putting speakers in it. I'm gonna cover them holes up, do some different wrapping, and yeah, I like the way that sit in there. But that's how she looking. And then I'm going all the way with it. Since I got the racing looking seats, I got me a racing looking steering wheel. And that blends pretty good with those seats. And this is like a 12. If you see, it's small, way smaller. But I like that. It give you even more room and it give you a cool look. So let me see if I can sit there right there. See if I can give y'all a little visual. And see, that's how that'll be looking. Yeah, with the gray carpet. Then I'm finna wood the roof. Me and Pat started spraying foam in all the corners. I went and bought 9 more cans. I'm filling that up down there. We getting it done. We getting it done. Let me move this because I know this gonna fall. But yeah, a little bitty steering wheel, y'all. That's gonna be cool. I like that. Yeah. And my boy Danny, he back here getting it in. Y'all remember how this looked back here, right? Big old rust holes, look like it wasn't no hope. Man, my boy Pat and Danny got together, came up with a game plan, and well, really Danny started it on his own, but you know, they gotta kind of work together on it because Pat gotta paint it. So, you know, I don't know, they back here talking about something, and next thing you know, I saw dust flying. boy, Danny back here getting it in. Man, he done built this up, man. Got this looking so good back here. Now he putting the final little touches on it. I told him we'll see how it hold up the pressure. I ain't gonna lie, from what I seen him do, I got faith in it. Now I know pressure busts a pipe, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's looking good.
See what it do?
Yeah, see what it do. Yeah. That boy hands on with it, that's what I'm talking about. Then, y'all remember how my top looked? Man, look, that boy done already. Look at this. Y'all hear that? Remember that? Yeah. Yeah. It's already there. That boy working. Yeah. And then wait till I wood the inside. Oh, yeah. We gonna have this car sounding like a new car. Solid, quiet. I don't know what we're gonna do about this, how you gonna do the rest of the door panel, but we're gonna figure that out. I know it hooks behind here or whatever. Yeah. And then to top that off, this here came in. Now, let's see how this look with the seats and the steering wheel. I think that's gonna look alright, y'all. Seats a little dusty from the dust flying around. That's cool. It's cool. Yeah. Put my little fur in there so it'll be dancing around. I saw that in a lot of vehicles. I had to have some of that. Look cool when somebody pull up on side of you and everything just, yeah. Uh-oh. Two-piece box. He did it a different way. I'll be thinking. And this is not part of it. It looked like it, but it's not. That's just a piece of console right there. But that do look like a port coming out the back. But that's not. It's gonna be a sealed box. Well, y'all will see. Y'all will see. That box is big as hell. But he say he marked it up. He say he had it in there. I was asleep when he did that. So he been working on it. I let him do his thing. I told him don't worry about it. If it don't sound right, we'll do it again. Who? Oh, I ain't pay no attention. Nah, you ain't in the camera right now anyway. I might have caught you slipping though. Yeah. Another thing I did last couple of days. Let me see. Now, I put some, let me see. I went on and did the lights behind the wheels. Now this was my first time doing this, y'all. And I think I got it pretty good. Pretty centered. The only thing I don't like is I'm still learning about LEDs. I want them to do certain things and you know, make them look interesting, like how my headlights do. So I think I have to change the box that tells the lights what to do. So I'm hoping these that I got are the ones that can be recommended or whatever it need to do. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. Oh yeah, I know you can. That's why I ain't even let you know nothing. That boy say he's so cold he can do it in the dark. Yeah. Yeah. Them mother look good at night, man. I just need them to do some different things. They don't really do nothing. They mostly just blink and kind of strobe, and that's boring. Yeah, that's boring, man. Yeah, they need to do some twists and some crazy stuff like the headlights do. The headlights, they come on crazy. Look, see? The headlights come on crazy. Yeah, we're gonna be lit up. Wherever I'm parked at, it's going down. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Yep. Hard work, no play. Big Jack supposed to be coming to pick up Short Dog tomorrow. Start on these back here. Well, this car, that White River, is pretty much done. I'm finna put the second alternator on and start the distributor, and he pretty much gone. Just trying to go down the line. Everything gets touched. Not in a bad way. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Gotta watch what you say these days. Oh yeah, my son called his motor in. I think his catalytic converter is stopped up because I had it running. I noticed some old gas in there. I put some gas treatment, well, some octane boost. Put some good gas in there. Had it running last night. I started seeing extra smoke coming from under the hood. So when I looked, it was red hot. So get out there probably tomorrow and see what I can do about that. Get my son car on out of here. Got the wrecker coming tomorrow to move a couple of cars, go back to a couple of customers who got some bad news about their vehicles. You know, a couple of them got to stack their money to get done what need to get done. So I'm going to drop them off at their house because I need the space. And that's about it for right now. We working. I'm finna pop that old steering wheel off and see what I'm gonna have to do to modify that small one on there. I think Danny will be pulling the motor on this 300 tomorrow. Go and get that started. Yeah, everybody make some bread. Everybody eat. Everything get done. And yes, sir. Other than that, people, I ain't got too much else going on. A lot of other just regular mechanic stuff. A couple of vehicles outside I'm gonna go mess with. Got a friend of mine got an S10 out there. His motor was locked up from water getting on the inside of it. And I got it, brought it back to life. Pat took it around the corner the other day. but now it's not firing, so I gotta check inside the distributor because I know all of that got wet in there. So you knew, always doing something. But I brought that back to life, cranking up, running. He happy. Yes. Well, guess I will roll me up a cup of coffee, and I might holler back at y'all later. If not, see y'all later.